So this is about maybe an hour, hour and a half from my first video. But you can see, man, this is crazy. This is Pensacola, Florida. 2025, January. It's insane. This is wild. I'm gonna show you. You'll see the Thunderbird from the earliest pictures. How much it actually freaking snowed here. Is this a guy on a four-wheeler, I think, coming by, maybe? Yeah, there he is. Out enjoying the snow. Probably gonna get mine out here shortly. There's the F-250 covered up. That's my son's F-150. He is out on the Razor, riding around somewhere with his buddies. Hopefully he's doing okay. This is the backyard. There's some of the trailers. Oh man, this is just wild. Dang snow in Florida, man. It's insane. I gotta call my cousins in Wyoming and they won't believe it. Alright, I'm gonna get some more video here just shortly.